Alright, I messed up. I was recording and the phone was not recording. But I'm recording again now. C71 2021, as you can see, damage right there. Front end damage. I can't start it. But look at this right here. I gotta do it all over again. This is a scat pack. These right here, I don't know what it is. There's 3 right here and there's 3 right there. So I don't know what that is. But let's go ahead and, yeah, she will start. Let's go ahead and start this engine. Here we go. Now it's recording. Yes, I'm recording. Baby. 14,643 miles. I don't want to run the engine that much on it because look at that. But look, this can be fixed. This can be fixed. This is the damage right there. This can be fixed. Look at the size of those wheels. Look at the brakes. You see it. No damage in the back. Scat pack, baby. I can't believe I recorded like 30 minutes of video, and my camera, because it's the first time I'm using this camera, it didn't record it. The last one I recorded was a F-150 Burgundy 5.0. Damage right here. Let me show you. Flat tire. No, it's not bad. It's a GT. Boom. Look at that. The engine is the most important thing. That's what we... And that engine is 100% good. No touching. Look. No touching whatsoever. Can it be fixed? I don't see no damage on the main frame on the bottom. It looks like it ripped the door, like it grabbed it to right here and just ripped it. I'm just letting the phone just record. That was the last one right there before my phone decided that, oh, we're not going to record now. No, that's damage. Here, I'll take you fellas and ladies over here. It's right here. $392 Hemi. Look at that. Can it be fixed? Front end damage. It's a 2018 with 122,000 miles. Somebody with the right parts, yeah, they can fix it. I gave you this Volkswagen right here, but 77,000 miles. Didn't want to start. Let's see. Try to find something cool, more cool than what we have seen. There's just so many cars, man. It's like thousands in here. Let me see what I can find. Jeep. This seems to be the damage right here. This is a 01. Let's go inside and see. What is this here? I don't even know. Leaking water. I don't like Jeeps. Yeah, battery is dead. And it smells like mold. Let's see. Somebody had a dog. Ugh. Don't like that car. Look what I discover. What is this? Is this one of them? I have no idea. Dodge Charge, just a regular Charger. You see that? You see that? It's cracked, but I don't see no damage. Maybe somebody was having car problems and punched it. There's no damage to that car. Or again, it looks like greenish, like it's been, you see, like it's been in a flood. I had to check the lumber on this, and it has like 136,000 miles on it. So let's go see what else we can find. 2010 SS Camaro. There's the damage right here. The wheel is bent in, as you can see. She's bent in, not that much. It's like she was hit right here. Wow, look at that. Look at those. Wow, they're so thick. Damage right there, here, little thing here, not much. Little scrape right here. But really, it's an SS. How many miles? Doesn't say. Oh boy, look at that. It's dirty, and it looks like she was all souped up to run. Let's see how many miles there. Give me a second. 147,623. But she's dirty. I don't want to sit in there. Sorry, not starting that engine. Oh God, I got it. Right here. This is, I don't know what that means. Ooh, that means she needs a whole wheel. No, she ain't no Hemi. She's just a regular 18 gray, damage. XRT, whatever it's called. No good. Let's see what else we find. Volkswagen. I want to see that one. The one over there. You see it over there? That one. Let's go see. Mercedes. It's one of those RV ones. 2016 Sprinter. Look at it. This thing flipped. Watch. Oh, she was laying on her side. Oh, it was somebody's home. I send blessings of abundance and love and peace and hope they're okay. And it's a diesel. You can see the blue stuff there. That's oh my God, I can't believe I'm asleep. That's like a transformer. It takes 12 volts and converts it to more. The interior, to tell you the truth, the interior on this thing, even though it flipped and it's a 2500 and it's a Mercedes blend, oh yeah, somebody, this thing is, I hope they're okay. For parts, if you want to build one, if you have one and you want to take it apart and build it, this right here will be great. For real. It even has the thing up there, and these things go for how much? Like 150,000 or something? Look at this boat. Can you see the engine? Can y'all see the engine in there? The engine catch fire. RVs. Boom. Look at this fifth wheel. It looks probably like when they're making a turn like in a gas station and hit it and then just rip the whole side of it. Can it be fixed? Yeah. Damage is only right here. It can be fixed. Let me go ahead and give you guys a tour inside. It can be fixed. Let's see if I can go in. Oh, look, it's an outside bathroom. Look at the thing up there. Wow. Like a bed. It had the ladder right there. Still has power, so let's go see what we got here. It's 2022. It can be fixed. There's another one. Man, we're looking at everything. Cars. Look at the Sea Ray boat right there. Trucks. Look at that thing right there. Can we fix it? It's a Ford. Of course we can. I think. Let me go ahead and give you guys a tour of this one right here. Man, it smells brand new. Fireplace. Controls. Bathroom. Oh my god, it smells brand new. The bed, yep. Look. Smells brand new, like they just built it. I love this color. I'm looking for the damage. It's a 21. Where's the damage in this thing? Here? It's... I don't see no damage. Can't open that door. Probably a hole right there. Look at this. I think we got this boat already. Let's go see something else.